Hello, we are from Group 7. In here we want to explain about Courier. Next. Courier is a company that provides a courier service. In implementing the express activities, our company has decided to stop manual data entry. As a replacement, it has decided to make use of a computerized database management for processing order and payment. Next. The database design. Database name is Courier. Number of tables, there is 7 tables. The name is table service, table city, table branch, table employee, table sender, table receiver, table package. Next. The diagram of the database. This is the diagram. This is the main table, the table package. Next. Table design. For the table design, first there is a table service. In the table service, there is a service code. The data type is varchar. The weight bus is 255. The description is code of service. Then there is name. Data type is varchar. Weight is 50. And this is the name of customer. Then there's the description. Varchar 255. And there is the description is the description of the item. Then there's the cost as integer. This is the price. Next, table city. There's the city ID, name, and province. The type for each is integer, varchar, and varchar. And 50 for the name and province. And the description is this is the ID of the city. This is the name of the city and the name of province. There's table branch, there's branch ID, address, and city ID. The data type is integer, varchar, and integer. The weight is this and 255. The description is the ID of the branch, the address of branch, and the ID of city. Next. There is table employees. The column name is employee ID, KTP number, name, status, mobile number, working area, address, and gender. The type is integer, varchar, 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 integer, varchar, varchar, varchar. The weight for it is 50, 50, 40, 15, 50, 255, and 1 for gender. Description is this is the ID of employee, and the unique number of KTP, the name of employee, the status of employee, the phone number, area of working, the address of employee, and the gender. Next. Then there's table sender. The column name is name, sender ID, address, and mobile number. The data type is varchar, integer, varchar, varchar. The width is 50, 255, and 15. This description is sender name, the ID sender, the address of the sender, and the mobile phone number of the sender. Then there's the table receiver. Receiver ID, mobile number, address, and city ID. The data type is integer, varchar, varchar, integer. The width is 15, 255. The description is the receiver ID, mobile number of receiver, address of receiver, and the city of ID of receiver. Next. Then there is the table package. The column name is package ID, sender ID, assurance, send date, weight, type, property, total cost, branch ID, employee ID, receiver ID, service code, and description. For each, the data type is integer, integer, varchar, date, integer, varchar, varchar, integer, 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 varchar, varchar. The width is 1 for assurance, 15 for type, 15 for property. The service code and description is 255 each. The description is the ID of package, the ID of sender, the use of user assurance, date when sent, weight of the package, type of package, property of package, the sum of the cost, the ID branch, the ID of employee, the receiver ID, the service code, and the description of package. Next.
Validations. There is table service validation. There is 3 methods for validation: primary key, not null, and check constraint. Primary key, service code must be unique. Not null, name and description column must be not null, meaning you have to type something in the column, in the field. Check constraint, so you have to input cost in the cost column more than 0. Table city, there is 2 validations: primary key and not null. For the table branch, we have 3 methods for validations: primary key, not null, and foreign key. Foreign key, city ID must be dependent from the branch city ID must be dependent from table city ID, so the column city ID. Table branch have 4 validations: primary key, not null, rule, and check constraint. Rule, the gender column must be type either female with F character or M character. Table sender have 3 validation: primary key, not null, and check constraint. Mobile number can only be filled with 0 through 9 digit, meaning you can't type anything besides that. Table receiver have 4 validations: primary key, not null, foreign key, and check constraint. Same. Table package have about 7 validations: primary key, rule, check constraint, not null, 4 or 5 foreign keys, and null. Null meaning you can type blank page in the field of total cost and description column.
Stored procedure. Procedure input branch. Create procedure sp input branch at branch underscore id integer at address varchar at city underscore id integer as begin set no count on insert into table branch underscore id address city id values at branch underscore id at address at city underscore id m. Procedure input city. Create procedure sp input city at city underscore id integer at name varchar at province varchar. S. Begin set no count on insert into table underscore city underscore ID, name, province, values, at city underscore ID, name, province, and procedure input employees. Create procedure sp input employees at employees underscore ID integer at ktp underscore number varchar at name varchar at status varchar at mobile underscore number varchar at working area underscore area varchar at address varchar at gender varchar. S. Begin set no count on insert into table employees underscore ID ktp underscore number name status mobile underscore number working area address gender values at employees underscore ID at ktp number name status mobile underscore number working underscore area at address at gender and procedure input package. Create procedure sp input package at package underscore ID integer at sender underscore ID integer at assurance varchar at sended at weight integer at varchar at property varchar at branch underscore ID integer at employee underscore ID integer at receiver underscore ID integer at service code varchar at description varchar. S. Begin set no count on insert into table package underscore ID sender underscore ID assurance send underscore get weight type property branch underscore ID employee underscore ID receiver underscore ID values at package underscore ID at sender underscore ID at assurance at sended at weight at type at property at branch underscore ID at employee underscore ID at receiver underscore ID at service underscore code description and procedure input receiver. Create procedure sp input receiver at receiver underscore ID integer at mobile underscore number varchar at address varchar at city underscore ID integer. S. Begin set no count on insert into table underscore receiver underscore ID mobile underscore number address city underscore ID values at receiver underscore ID at mobile number at address at city underscore ID and procedure input sender. Create procedure sp input sender at name varchar at sender underscore ID integer at address varchar at mobile underscore number varchar. S. Begin set no count on insert into table sender name sender underscore ID address mobile number values at name at sender underscore ID at address at mobile underscore number and procedure input service. Create procedure sp input service at service underscore code varchar at name varchar at description varchar at cost integer. S. Begin set no count on insert into table service underscore code name description cost values at service code name description at cost and trigger. Create trigger calculate on table package for insert update as declare at total cost integer set at total underscore cost is select weight from inserted times 1000 plus select cost from table service inserted where table service code is inserted service code. If select assurance from inserted is y, begin set at total underscore cost is at total underscore cost plus add test times 0.2 and update table package set total cost is at total cost from inserted where inserted package ID is table package ID. Go create trigger update on table service for update as declare at package underscore ID integer at service underscore code varchar at total cost integer declare cursor update cursor for select package underscore ID service code from table package. Open cursor update, fetch next from cursor update into add package ID at service code while at fetch status is 0. Begin set at total cost is select weight from table package where package ID is at package underscore ID times 1000 plus select cost from inserted where service code is at service code. Update table package set total cost is case when select assurance from table package where package underscore ID is package underscore ID is y. Then add total cost plus add total underscore cost times 0.2 else add total underscore cost and where package underscore ID is at package underscore ID. Fetch next from cursor update into add package underscore ID add service code and close cursor update deallocate cursor update. Configuration hardware laptop Asus G501 VW operating system Microsoft Windows 10 software Microsoft SQL Server 2019. Project file details file name courier.mdf courier underscore log.mdf remarks SQL Server database that contains tables, procedures, triggers, diagrams, constraints, rules, and queries. Thank you.